Oh my god, there's teeny tiny little like bluegill or something. Let's see what they are. Oh, bastard. Fishing? Fishing? Yikes. Oh, there's like a Sacramento sucker right here. That's cool. I see it eating off the bottom. It's like right next to a beer bottle. Good choice. That's really cool. I think that's the first time I've seen one of those. At least I'm pretty damn sure that's what that is. I don't think that carp are in the river like that, but maybe I'm wrong. I was just trying to help you in case that question was on the test. The why? Wow, that's crazy. Interesting. No, this thing's a piece of shit. Got this from Japan. You know what's funny? That's the part where it attaches, because it's a two-piecer, so it's snapped at the part where it attaches. Interesting. Got him with my broken rod. Oh, it's a shiner, I think. Is that what you are? Actually, what are you? I think that is a shiner. See him? Sorry, I'm just trying to hold him steady. I don't want him to fall. Yeah. Very cool. Maybe. Yeah, I see it's a little crooked. All right, brother. Be free. Oh, I got something. Oh, what? I don't know what that is. It looks like a goby. What the heck? I have never seen that in my life. I'm a little scared to grab it. I don't know if it's like venomous or not. I have no idea. I thought it was a leaf when I was pulling it out. I was like, oh, that feels like a fish. I'm gonna get a picture of that. I have never seen that before. Well, that's cool. Be a good one to go home on. Maybe freshwater goby, is that what it's called? I don't know. I didn't know that those were in the river like that. Okay, let's get you out of here. Yeah, I don't know if this is like chill to grab or not. Not necessarily, I just got to get the hook out. You said it's a tadpole? No, I just got it out. Yeah, he just took off and went under the stone here. Interesting. Yes.